there are a number of things that run in my head about Lente tribalism, which seems to be a term reserved for Zulu-speaking people, both in the ANC and some other reactionary forces out there of the ANC. And I think you are right. I mean, you may as well ask this question. So what happens to the ANC people who vote ANC, Abasa KZN? Do you still want to call them tribalists as well? And if so, why not? If not, why not? So why be tribalistic laba abanye abantu abafana nami who voted MK, for an example? But also, let's go back. When Mandela, Tambo, Mbeki, all of them, Xhosa speaking, were leading the ANC, why is it that we never called Abantu Bethu in the Eastern Cape who voted ANC? Why didn't we call them tribalists? Why now? Why do we have this term, tribalism, as if it's a term that is reserved for Zulu-speaking people? But also equally, Abelungu, whether they're Dutch or English, they vote for their own formations as a reactionary, for an example, be it your DA, your Freedom Front Plus, and so forth. Why is it that we are not calling them tribalists? Why tribalism as a term is reserved for Zulu-speaking people? Now, but let's talk about Ugwedege himself. For your benefit and for the benefit of other comrades, I worked with these comrades, in the union movement. And ibona ababethi mabe interact nathi, for an example, batshele thina ukuthi umpoposho, umkhabulo, belongs to the Eastern Cape. Ibona abantu abakhablile, ntoni, and so forth, arrogantly so. They used to say that, right? Which then started to create also impression, a wrong impression. Yokuba sengazathi i-ANC kwakuyi-ANC yase-Eastern Cape or something like that. Now, we never called them tribalists when they did that. Because indeed, that was also tribalistic. Into ukuthi uzofuna wena arrogantly so to tell other people that no, inine likhabule kangcono and umkhabulo nompoposho loyo, which meant Congress influence, I suppose, in the Eastern Cape and so on. So I'm talking about back in the mid 80s to early 90s. That was the phenomenon. Now, and we used to deal with this ourselves as comrades. I got the comrades lendo wrong. Now, I'm surprised because kuyayiseka kahle phela iminyaka so seziwakhula ukugwedeke Mantashe nalento in a way ayifuni ukusuka this thing igciwane phela leli lokuba tribalistic nokubuka izinto in the manner tribalistic, in the manner in which he does. And it can only lead me to one thing, ukuthi actually Ugwede is an incorrigible imbecile. Because we can't be talking about one and the same thing over and over again, and you keep on standing the other side and accuse other people of being something, and say, abanye abantu bayilento yiyo wena. When you're tribalistic, you want to accuse other people with bona ba tribalistic. So I find this thing quite amazing. Ngento yalombhemi ukuthi kanti ukukhula bakithi ukukhulwa nini in the process. So the fact of the matter is, people voted in the manner in which they did in KZN. And national chairperson win. All they need to do is to sit down and run an introspection about what it is that has gone wrong with the African National Congress and invest energy in the direction of correcting those particular wrongs, if ever there is capability. If you think you guys in the ANC have got the capability of correcting these particular things, but invest in that direction, not in the direction of these flimsy, nonsensical kind of things. akhuluma ngazo. So I have a problem ngomuntu omdala but angakhuli ngengqondo. I really have a problem because that stunted kind of mental formation doesn't take society anywhere. Right? So usefuna manje ugwede thina sikhulume ngale nonsense akhuluma ngayo. Zulu people are tribalistic. How kahleni bo. Now one day when I come at, I'll prove a point about historically how non-tribalistic Zulu speaking people are compared to the rest in our society. You'll be shocked. You'll be shocked, including the manner in which the administration of state has been run. I can give you illustrations, but that's a discussion and debate for another day. Okwamanje ngisakhuza umhlolo nje ukuthi nangu umuntu emdala engakhulile ngengqondo. What do we call that? Ake nilungise lento bafowethu. Ngoba some of us, not even some of us, I suppose, yes, some of us, I can say this thing, myself included. It is things like this as utubona ukuthi hey, uhlala in the ANC, uhlalela ukungakhuli ngoba uzoba standard ngale ndlela your national chairperson is ukuthi anga provide the leadership that is required, critically required by society. Ubhizi ukhuluma ngalezi zinto. And I'm beginning to believe ukuthi cishe kube almost all your leadership is like that. Because also similarly in July 2021, the first reaction by your president, Ramaphosa, was exactly this thing. What was it called? When there were these ructions of July unrest, ethnic mobilization, which is also a term for tribalism. You know, that was it. Instead of dealing with the nonsense that was happening at the time and handling it in the manner in which society needed to be to benefit. No, all they saw was ethnic mobilization. Now people are voting, it's another ethnic mobilization that they're seeing, which is in common terms called tribalism. So agenikhuze lento bafowethu ngoba there is also a limitation you absorb nonsense. It's natural, you know. As my mother used to say, it's important to tell farmers, but at some point it does fill up, and when it fills up, it spills over. So khuzani sasithembeni nagameti ukuthi inhlanya zini lezi nizoyikhuza nazo bangalokhu besisanganela la.